Today I'm making a fun kids snack. I'm using a box of vanilla wafers, and I'm just gonna use half for now. And then you're going to be adding just one Oreo thin. Goes right in there. Close this up. We're not adding any liquid to this. Kids are gonna love this treat. I'm gonna put this in my NutriBullet and give it a whisk. And then we're gonna repeat the process with the rest of those Nilla wafers. And then we add a second Oreo thin. So it's one box of Nilla wafers and 2 Oreo thins. That is so cool. Look what I made. I made edible sand. Isn't that the coolest? You do this for a whole bunch of crafts. Just make sure that all those cookies are crumbled. Set this aside for now. And in a bowl, I've got, this is 1 block of cream cheese and half a stick of softened butter. I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this together. To that, we're gonna be adding 2/3 of a cup of just regular powdered sugar and 2 boxes of this French vanilla pudding. The instant kind, not the cook and serve. To that, we're actually gonna be adding 2 3/4 of a cup of milk. So that's 1 cup. Look at that, French vanilla makes it so yellow, so sunshiny. Two and 3/4. I love this measuring cup, by the way. It makes everything seem like a science experiment. Go ahead and mix this all together. Once that pudding makes everything thicken up, okay, we're gonna go ahead and set this aside and bring back our sand. I've got a margarita glass with a little tropical umbrella. I'm gonna go ahead and take a spoon. Make sure, put some in the bottom, just like that. And layer of pudding. Back, some more sand. Take this umbrella out just for a minute. I mean, doesn't that really look like sand? That's so impressive. I'm trying not to dump the whole thing in. Just like that. I'm back with some more pudding on top. Last layer of sand. I'm gonna decorate some more. I've got these Airhead Extremes. These are so great because they look like rainbow belts, which are perfect. You only need 1. Just take a pair of scissors. Just lay it out right there. I've got these Lifesavers gummies, so many different colors. I am going to pick a nice blue one. I'm gonna stick that right there. I'm gonna put that umbrella right back in, just like that. Look at how standing up, so cute. And then our last main character is Mr. Teddy Graham. I'm gonna go ahead and pop him right on that beach blanket. Isn't that cute? I think the kids are gonna love this dessert. I can't drink it, but I gotta get a spoon and give this a try.